I think it's not
Last
right.
Friday we voted, sir.
So let me clarify.
Let me complete, sir.
I'll just clarify because you will get the answer. The last time voting was on supplementary demands. That is for the supplementary demand for 2023-24.
Too much.
Yes, sir. And now we'll be voting for the grants. So just so that you
No, that is very clear, sir. But then we are using. I would like to raise a point of order through Rule 300 plus 1 to draw the attention of the House to the interpretation and enforcement of Rule 142 and 143. If you allow me, sir.
Please.
This is a budget session, so I will draw the attention of the House to rule number 142. Stages of the budget. The budget shall be dealt with by the Assembly in two stages, namely, stage 1, a general discussion, and stage 2, the voting of demands for grants. I would like also to read provision of Rule 143, sir. Clause 1, on a day or days to be appointed by the Speaker subsequent to the day on which the budget is presented, and for such time as the Speaker may allot for this purpose, the Assembly shall be at liberty to discuss the budget as a whole or any question of principle involved therein, but no motion shall be moved at this stage, nor shall the budget be submitted to the vote of the Assembly. In clause 2, it says, the Finance Minister shall have a general right of the reply at the end of the discussion. What I want to raise here is, sir, we are still at stage number 1 of the budget discussion. We are at general discussion, and the end of the general discussion is indicated by the reply of the Finance Minister on the budget discussion. The issue here is, last Friday, we have already voted for the demand for grants, sir, which is in contravention of this rule.
No, we have not voted. We are yet to vote.
Last Friday we voted.
I think it's not
Last
right.
Friday we voted, sir.
So let me clarify.
Let me complete, sir.
I'll just clarify because you will get the answer. The last time voting was on supplementary demands. That is for the supplementary demand for 2023-24.
Too much.
Yes, sir. And now we'll be voting for the grants. So just so that you can.
No, that is very clear, sir. But then we are using the same demand book. We have reached up to demand number 11. So if it is my mistake, then today the list for demand for grants should start from number 1. But I believe today we will be starting at grant number 11. So when was the voting done then?
No, we're taking it side by side, I think alongside.
No, sir. There is no ambiguity with this rule. It is very clearly stated that no motion shall be moved at this stage, nor shall the budget be submitted to the vote of the Assembly. The budget was submitted last Friday to the vote of the Assembly, whereas the general discussion or the stage 1 of the process is yet to be completed. Why I say that? Today in the list of business, sir, item number 3 is the reply of the Chief Minister who is in charge of finance on the budget discussion. This indicates the end of stage 1. But last Friday we voted. So there is a gross deviation from the provision of these rules, and I hope Rule 314 will not be applied because there is no ambiguity in this 142 and 143, sir. This is my submission.
You may sit down.